In many of my videos, I've demonstrated how I can come in here and I'll highlight some variables and come over here, and when I hit paste, I have a shortcut that'll automatically grab the first variable selected. Let's move this down a little. The first variable selected, put in the word to, and then the last. Instead of what I used to do is come here, copy, come back over here, paste, then come over here, put the 2. That, line it up. Okay, now it's all basically the same thing. Or, as I said a second ago, I have a hotkey that'll do all of that for me in a split second. And what I did was I actually rewrote my script that does that. So what it does is it runs a loop on the clipboard and parses it. So it breaks it by, and this is a new line or a return line. And so basically this just looks over here and parses this, so it'll go type, category, language, scene name, date, sent, and in the loop, so the first time the A index is basically a counter, how many times it's been through. So if that counter equals 1, first is going to equal the value of what's in what it read, which in this case, let's go back to here. Let's start at the top here. It would be SP case ID because it's the first time through. And if I had this selected, we go back to here. Now, last, each time it goes through, last is going to equal the value of what's in there. So it would actually go last mailing line month BU. But because it ends at BU, that's what it'll be when it ends. So down here, I say, okay, now first to last equals, I put a space at the beginning, and then the value, the variable first, which in this case is SP case ID, and then the dots are continuation. So and then put a space, the word to, space, and then last, and the very final thing time this is through, it's the last variable, so it dumps that in there and then puts another space. And then the send flag just actually sends it back to the screen. And this is a little inefficient just because this is this resets it each time through, but it's such a short program and so fast that it just doesn't matter. It's a lot easier. And I have mine right now set to be Control-Alt-V to paste it, and that's it. It's that simple. So I can come in here and very quickly highlight things and come over here and paste them in there. And that's it. Thanks.